petition of Senator Dick Gordon. Bumili ka ng magandang makina. Hindi lang simple. You bought state-of-the-art election equipment in answer to all of the vote buying, etc. Pero hindi mo naman inactivate yung features that will really make it a credible, foolproof machine. Hindi mo inactivate ito, yung voter receipt. Maraming features na hindi inactivate. Dapat hindi ka bumili na lang ng magarang makina. Dapat simple na lang ang binili mo kung hindi mo naman pala gagamitin. And yung sasabihin nila na walang oras bumili ng papel, yung walang oras i-train ang mga teachers, gawan nyo ng paraan. Di ba? Hindi pwede yung... Ngayon, magpa-file ata sila ng MR, ng motion for reconsideration, which is going to take very long. And if we do not have elections on May 16, I think we will have civil unrest. Civil unrest. Because yung mga, lalo na, yung mga natatalo.
May civil unrest if there's delay.
Pag may delay tayo ng eleksyon, yung lalo na yung mga natatalong kandidato sa... sila na. Di ba? Sasabihin nila, wala na lang eleksyon. Gulo na lang. Manggugulo na yan. You are fomenting, sabi mo. You are fomenting conflict. You are inviting civil unrest.